Hi, welcome to the Healthy Life channel. Tea is one of the favorite drinks for some people. Usually, tea is drunk before starting an activity, while relaxing, or even before going to bed at night. Tea has long been believed to have many health benefits. However, who would have thought that there are a number of types of tea that are actually harmful to health if consumed over a long period of time? Tea does have many health benefits, but that doesn't mean you can drink tea mindlessly. There are some teas that may be harmful to health, either for those with certain health conditions or those who consume them in excessive amounts. When you consume too much tea, it can be bad for your health. That's why it's important that you consume the right amount of tea. Here are the types of tea that, if consumed, can have harmful effects on health. 1. Comfort tea. Comfort tea comes from a plant called comfrey or symphytum, which has been used in traditional medicine for several health conditions. However, this plant contains a chemical compound called pyrrolizidine alkaloids, which can damage the liver and cause damage to other organs if consumed in large amounts or on a regular basis. Pyrrolizidine alkaloids are potentially toxic and carcinogenic, which means they can cause cancer. Acute pyrrolizidine poisoning can cause symptoms such as abdominal pain, nausea, vomiting, liver disorders, and even death in severe cases. Although there are some claims that comfrey has health benefits, the risks associated with pyrrolizidine compounds are usually considered to outweigh the benefits. Therefore, many health organizations and food regulatory agencies advise avoiding consumption of comfort tea and other products containing similar components. 2. Lobelia tea. Lobelia tea is a beverage made from the lobelia plant, Lobelia inflata. Lobelia has a history of use in traditional medicine across several cultures. However, this plant also has potential side effects and dangers if consumed inappropriately. Lobelia contains a compound called lobeline, which has similar effects to nicotine. These effects can lead to increased heart rate, blood pressure, and other side effects such as nausea, vomiting, and headaches. Although some people have used lobelia in an attempt to quit smoking or relieve asthma symptoms, its safety and effectiveness are not supported by strong scientific evidence. As a result, many health experts advise speaking to a medical professional before using lobelia or products containing lobelia for medicinal purposes. In addition, due to the side effects and potential risks associated with lobelia, using it inappropriately or in inappropriate doses can become dangerous. So it is advisable to avoid consuming lobelia tea without prior medical consultation. 3. Chaparral tea. Chaparral tea is a beverage made from the creosote plant, Larica tridentata, also known as chaparral or gobernadora. This plant has been used traditionally by some Native American tribes for various medicinal purposes. While there are claims that chaparral tea has a variety of health benefits, such as clearing toxins from the body, reducing inflammation, and strengthening the immune system. However, scientific evidence supporting these claims is limited. But more importantly, chaparral tea is controversial because it contains a compound called nordohydroguaretic acid, NDGA. Some animal studies show that NDGA can have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. However, excessive or long-term consumption can cause serious side effects, including liver damage. Due to the lack of adequate scientific evidence to support its benefits and the potential risks associated with NDGA, the use of chaparral tea is not recommended without proper medical supervision. It is always wise to consult a healthcare professional before taking chaparral tea or any other herbal product, especially if you have an underlying health condition or are taking other medications. Those are some teas that may be harmful to health, especially for those with certain health conditions. Reduce the consumption of these teas to avoid harmful effects, but if after consuming these teas you experience some health problems, immediately see a doctor for further treatment. This video is for educational purposes only. If this video is useful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss other videos.